Hi, very good morning. A warm welcome to you to our show, Morning Newspaper Watch. Friends, as usual, today in Morning Newspaper Watch, we'll be discussing about the newspaper headlines in daily Odia newspapers. Almost all the newspapers in Odisha today, they have highlighted Odisha government's decision to give ration items to the persons those who do not have ration cards. So this is a major decision that has been prominently published in Samaj, Sambad, Dharitri, Pragatipadi, Odisha Express, Nirbhay. From all the newspapers, they have carried this story, and this decision is expected to benefit almost all the poor people in Odisha, those who do not have ration cards. So another the decision that has also been prominently published, that the issue of advisory to all the quarantine centers, how the people in quarantine centers will be treated by the local authorities in charge of those quarantine centers. And another story that has prominently been published in Samaj, that is how coffee growers in Koraput districts, they have been impacted and affected by this COVID-19 regulations. And it said, the story says Corona Paharare Koraput Chasinkro. A beautiful caption, Koraput coffee ko Corona Pahar. This is a very beautiful caption that has been given in Samaj, and it says that 550 metric ton of coffee is lying unsold, and this has seriously impacted the local economy or the farmers attached with this coffee growing. Dharitri has carried a different story as page one, and story one. That story is about Khabardatta ka Bekare Daudi. That means how reporters in Jammu and Kashmir, they have been slapped charges in the pretext of violating ethical dissemination of news. And the spirit of the story is that journalists are not allowed to perform the duties with all sincerity and with all dedication. Their activities are being curtailed by the state authorities. Here, state authorities means the union government. And another story that has also been prominently highlighted in all the newspapers, that is Peta Chintar 50,000 driver, Peta Chintar 50 driver. That means 50,000 drivers, they are stranded on roads at different places in the state, and they are not they do not have access to ration items and other items. They are literally starving on the road. And another story that has been very prominently published in some newspapers, that is Kanhu Charan Behera. As you know that Kanhu Charan Behera is a boy who lives near Cuttack. He always feeds peacocks, and this story says that Kanhu Charan Behera, who learned feeding peacock from his grandfather, is not disturbed at all because of this coronavirus regulations. He has not forgotten his duty and responsibility towards peacocks, and he is very sincerely feeding them despite his despite his financial background, all that, because he has developed a strong affinity with these peacocks, and whatever he earns, he feeds the peacock from his own pocket. So this is a very good story. And another story is that that has been highlighted in all the newspapers. The story is that the state government's decision to start MG energy work. The state government has decided to create 10 lakh work days under this Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It will surely go a long way to provide work to the people at the grassroots, and once this work starts, money will flow to their pockets, and once money flows to their pocket, they will be at surely they will be a little bit at comfort zone. So these are the morning newspaper stories today, and tomorrow again we'll come with morning newspaper headlines. Until then, wish you a very good time. Stay at home, stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.